Greetings everyone. Today I will talk about one of the hash methods called the multiplication method. So in a multiplication method we choose a constant first, and next in the second step we multiply the constant with the key, and then we obtain or we extract the fractional part, and then again multiply the fractional part with the hash table size and remove the fractional part to take the integer value. And here is an example. So we have a key value 1, 2, 3, 4. The table size is 100. We select a constant, and then we multiply the key value with that constant, and we extract the fractional part of that result, and then multiply it by the table size, which is 100, and then we remove the fractional part by taking the floor of that. So we obtain the index value. The only caveat is that we need to make sure that the index value or the hash value that is obtained is within the range of the table size. To prevent that, you can just do a modulo division method after you get the index value, so as to keep it within the table size. So here, for example, we have a key value of 523. We multiply that by constant, and we get a floating point number here. You extract only the fractional part from that number and multiply it with 5. Here is the table size. There are 5 buckets here, so that's the size of this table is 5. And once I obtain the result of multiplying the fractional part with the table size, I take the floor of that to obtain the index value. So here the index value is within the range, but you could potentially again apply the division method. So I am taking that and using the mod +1. This last step is not necessary. So here you can use either this index, or then you can do a modulo division and then add 1 to that to obtain a new index value. So here I am inserting the key value. I am not searching. So where do I insert this key value? I first pass the key value as a parameter to my hash function, and once I obtain the hash value or hash code, that is where I'm going to insert that particular key and value pair. So here is another example. I got a key value of 525. Again, I multiply it with that same constant. Then I extract the fractional part from that result. So here is the fractional part. I extract that part and multiply it with the table size. So I get 2.35, and then remove, and then multiply it by table size, and then you remove the fractional part by taking the floor, where I get 2. So here I am getting within the bound, but still I am applying the modulo division method to obtain a new index value. Okay, so this guarantees that I am within the range of my table. So here is 3, and that is where I am going to insert this key and a value. Thank you.